just don't want to hit that tranny cooler. There we go. Hey bro, look.
What's the license plate?
Yeah.
Did you put it there?
No.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
I thought you put the...
You didn't get that on camera?
Yeah.
You did?
I'm
That?
pretty sure.
What the fuck? Look at that.
Oh, yeah?
Look at this. Shoved it into the battery.
What the... Must been going fast.
60, 65.
No airbag either?
No.
Wow.
I don't think. Let me look.
You didn't have one. Remember that? The one that got tore up by... That one
Airbag. Yeah, airbag. Jumper cables are behind the truck. That bucket can go over there. Is that camera on?
Yep.
Oh, so you did get the license plate?
Huh?
You did get the license plate, didn't you?
Yep.
Right on. I wonder how that shit that happened. That was wild.
Wild, man.
Yeah, you can just lay them there. Take the bucket, please. Move it. So,
I got chiggers all over me, so I'm gonna kick her out a bit. I'm gonna get the battery out here for the pump.
fuck. I think the fan's hitting it. Do what?
I'm gonna get the battery out here for the pump.
For what pump? Nah, I'm not gonna do that right now. Let me see if I got a tow hitch on this. We got the little cabin here, so we'll put the camper here. And leave a little walkway right here, and I can put a gate or a little door from the camper. We'll move the truck, the generator, get all this garbage out of here. And use this 4x4 to pull the camper up out of the holler. Oh, we got a minivan in the holler. It rode off down the hill here. We gotta get that out of there. Down in the holler. Alright, well this is what I'm doing, y'all. Well, I need to get it out of the tire. I don't care if it's in, as long as it's out of the tire. Bumper's trash. Tire's got to be able to turn. Oh yeah. All right. Let me go pull. Oh, sorry about that.
Not bad.
Let's see. You can see here. Now the tire will rotate.
What?
Now I'm gonna get the strap. Gonna put it around this. Pull this out so the fan ain't hitting the radiator. What? know, if you need more wire, you can just twist it around the battery first. It's almost back to factory OEM spec. I'm gonna let it off to see if this fan touches. Hey, here's what we're doing. You want to see? That's exactly what Big Wave's doing. Big Wave. Find any yellow done? I hit a deer. Jammed everything into the tire and the radiator. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back. That's the Predator 4375 generator we just got from Harbor Freight over there that you hear running. Sorry about the little noise. We're going to walk over here. Nevin's got something he wants to show you and something he wants to tell you. Part of living off-grid and living like this is that you're always in the woods. And people always complain about the ticks. I myself don't complain about the ticks. You want to see what I complain about? See that cinder block thrown there? That's how I found out about what Nevin encountered today. Nevin, you want to tell us what you encountered today, or show us?
Snake.
A snake. Let's see it. Go ahead and scoop it up. I won't record you. I'm just zooming in on the snake. How long has it been dead?
I don't know, maybe 6 hours.
Oh, okay. Just pick it up with that. We're going to haul it off so the dog don't eat it. I believe it is a rat snake. Oh, it's already stiff, ain't it? Look. Don't get it near me. Look at the size of that thing. That's at least, what, 4 foot? Okay, carry it off down that way. Way down there where the dog don't get it. Let's go with Nevin. And you know what? There are dozens of those out here. I want to get a good look at it before you fling it. It seems to have speckled spots on it with a white-ish yellow belly. If you know what kind of snake this is, let's get you another look. Comment down below and let us know. I'm saying it's some kind of black snake or a rat snake. Alright, I would take it back in the woods. Alright, don't get in there and get another one on you. There you go, buddy. Hey, so tell me how you encountered it.
I don't know. I was walking back to the camper.
You were walking to the camper over there in front of where the minivan is? Mm-hmm. And you saw him on the ground? Was he almost stepped on him, eh? Was he curled up or was he laid out?
Laid out.
Laid out, getting the sun, huh? Yeah, and we really need a lawnmower. So we came in here and cut trees out just the other day. Had a brush burn right there. And pretty much right where the snake was dead, it's where everybody walks right through here to go to the camper. So who knows, maybe they scared it out of the camper. Hey, get that trash. And I just wanted to show you that snake. I want to know more about it. So if you're into snakes, let me know what kind of reptile that was.